Okinox Steelwares Private Limited. Art has been considered the domain of a few, adorning the walls and spaces of big museums and galleries. It has been considered a phenomenon to behold from a distance. Okinox has been the one to challenge this notion. It has brought art to our very hands. A renowned name in the field of cutlery, Okinox adorns its cutlery with beautiful designs, cuts and patterns. Food is an essential requirement of life, and Okinox takes the experience of having food to the next level by adding an edge of tangible charm and class. The simple but classy patterns and innovative designs that Okinox embellishes on its cutlery make it an object worth possessing. Infrastructure and machinery. The infrastructure of the company is quite extensive, adequate and complete to manufacture world-class products that includes in-house designing and tooling. The machines and instruments used to carve the cutlery and etch designs and patterns on them are precision-made and capable of making the beautiful pieces of utilitarian crafts.
Okinox's designer quality products are much appreciated and accepted by hotels in India and abroad. Okinox manufactures product in India. Now hotels looking for international quality don't need to go anywhere else but buy Okinox's international product made in India.
Strength and aesthetics are the two qualities that clearly define Okinox products. Okinox is initiating a certain class of products and idea that objects of everyday use too can carry certain panache. The different range of products offered by Okinox is tableware, kitchenware, hotelware, barware and accessories, flatware, etc.
Our father had a dream to start a world-class manufacturing facility in India. We started 15 years back with a small tool room and consultancy firm.
Art is a dream without engineering, and engineering is pointless without art. With this philosophy, Okinox works with acute precision, just like the way the designs are embossed on Okinox cutlery.
इंटरनेशनल बायर्स जब BW के आते हैं, उनकी एक्सपेक्टेशन होती है कि कुछ ना कुछ वो नया देख रहे हैं यहाँ पे, और हमेशा उनकी ये एक्सपेक्टेशन पूरी होती है हमारे पास आके. हमारी R&D टीम हर महीने 2 से 5 डिजाइन लॉन्च करती है.
Workforce and R&D. The force and strength behind the company is its staff. The research and development department is the backbone of Okinox.
मुझे यहाँ पे काम करना इसलिए अच्छा लगता है क्योंकि यहाँ का स्टाफ बहुत ही सपोर्टिव है.
AWK में हर प्रोडक्ट एक नियमित जांच प्रक्रिया से गुजरता है और कर्मचारी की सुरक्षा का खास तौर पे ख्याल रखा जाता है.
Client base and statistics. With satisfied customers across the globe, Okinox is the forerunner in the hotelware segment in India, catering to major 5-star hotels, renowned catering companies, restaurant chains and corporates with pan-India distribution including exports to more than 10 countries.
Today the export market is constantly changing. Clients are more demanding and we have to keep pace with the changing innovations and designs.
At Okinox, words like quality, innovation, satisfaction and happiness are not just mere concepts, they are everyday practice. The aim is to provide the joy of holding not just a product of use, but a piece of art. A joy which spreads and makes you want more.